Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find Vanya and Naniwa in Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematic Festival Event Update Week 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. On Week 2, some NPCs have been moved to new location and I'm going to show you their new locations in Heartopia. I'm going to show you on the map. Okay, if you want to find Naniwa, he's now at the Whale Mountain. Okay, Naniwa is here. Meanwhile, Vanya, she's at the Amethyst beach. Okay, right here. Okay, and I'm going to track Vanya first. Okay, this is Vanya's location, guys. She's right here. And you can meet her if you want to go to her fishing store or if you want to start the Octa entertainment event. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to go to Naniwa. I'm going to track him through the map. He's right here. I'm gonna track him. Okay, wait, let me go back and let's meet Naniwa. Alright, this is Naniwa, and you can start the script supervisor B event by visiting him. Okay guys, and that's where you can find Naniwa and Vanya in Heartopia Game Dreamlight Cinematic Festival Event Update Week 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!